Jar of leaves? More like jar of soap. Yes, sir, and it's super quick and easy, and I'll show you how to do it. First, go locate some English ivy leaves. You can see they're climbing up all these trees and they're covering the ground. That's because they're an invasive plant. They can really choke out native plants, so they're not the best idea to plant, but you can find them all around the US, so you might as well put them to good use. So I went out, found some, collected about 40 leaves, then you're going to bring them back and wash off all the dirt. Then you're going to proceed to cut them up a little bit. Don't have to go crazy, but give them a nice little chop. Then I did about 4 cups of water to about 40 leaves or so. Then you're going to want to simmer them. Don't boil them, but you're going to simmer them, and that's going to get out the saponins, which is a natural soap compound. Then, boom, you've got it. Now this is me using it as a laundry detergent. We've used it for a bunch of loads now, and it works great. It smells pretty earthy and leafy. This is me using it to clean our stove, which had a lot of grime on it. And look at that, spick and span. Comes out nice. Go do it.
I think I'm getting sidetracked.